Hi friends! Today we're going to be unboxing the new Ryan's World Vending Surprise. It includes 4 chip containers, 4 fruit gummy containers, 3 water bottle containers, and 3 juice containers. And finally 10 coins. We're going to open the top cover to the vending surprise. Then we're going to insert our containers inside. Next, we're going to insert the coins in the slot. Press the container you want, then press the check mark. Brandon got 2 fruit erasers. He got a pineapple and a banana eraser. I got a minifigure of Alpha Lexa. Brandon got blue slime. I got another figure, Peck the penguin. Let's see what surprise is in our chip container. Ooh, I got some pants to build to Ryan.